from Mia Chanu. Now this is the Influencer Cricket League Season 1, second night and first match. Third line, start his first over, first ball, first legal ball. This time he punished onto the leg side. What a maximum hit, it's out of the park. What a sensational hit and fans love it. Oh wow, what a shot. That's a serious connection on very first ball and it gone all the way. Wow. He is just showing his talent. Now the second delivery is coming. This time and that will be taken. Caught behind. Oh my goodness. What a drama continued there. First ball first maximum and the second ball wicket is come. Oh my goodness, you can see Raja Bhatt na bhai na, not. You cannot hit again and again sixes. You should go to pavilion. Check the signals of Raja Bhatt. He is just laughing at the batsman to go to the sleep and go to the pavilion. Wow, what a drama. First ball, first wicket. Drama is continued there. First ball, first maximum. And then on just second delivery, Raja Bhatt bowler has scored the wicket. And this you can see all the spectators that are watching this drama. Wow, what a wicket on just second delivery. And you can see no... Once again, bowler starts it up. This time he punished on the leg side. The ball is traveling there. It is in there. Fielder over there. Catch is dropped. Oh my goodness. Another chance for the fielder. Fielder has thrown water on the efforts of the bowler. Raja Bhatt is showing no problem. Okay. He is just motivating there. Clapping. No problem. Don't worry. Be that. This time Sovan punished away onto the leg side and catch. Oh my goodness, another wicket, another breakthrough for the Faisalabad Falcons. First over completed with the loss of 2 wickets. And you can just celebrate the Raja Bhatt on there. Raja Bhatt and their teammates enjoying as they have got second wicket on very first over. You can replay it. You can watch. He might hit a 6 on a mid-side. And fielder is present over there. He takes the sensational and easy catch there. Wow, what a drama continued there. First 2 important wickets have come on very first over. Just look at that celebration style. But Falcons. Once again, Rashid Lefty starts his run up. Another good ball, same connection and same line and length. I have no words to explain the word because there are very people and families are enjoying in Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala. This time the catch, yes it has, it will taken. Oh my goodness, third breakthrough for Faisalabad Falcons. Rashid Lefty have got a wicket. But last delivery of the second over and he's for his first over. Another good ball and this time no chance for the third man. It gone for 4. No matter where the ball gone there, but still he get 4 runs. Falcons and Lowell Hines. This time third over and first delivery and the ball is in the air. It should be a taken and catch is taken. Oh my goodness, another breakthrough there. Third wicket is gone and bowler is looking very delighted. He is celebrating his style with Raja Bhatt and Raja Bhatt is clapping with his teammates. What a celebration style there. Third wicket has lost on just 21 runs. You can see replay. The batsman hit onto the leg side, but the ball was not enough to cover the fence and fielder was present over there. He takes very easy but a difficult catch of high level. This time proper connection and it will surely gone out of the park. What a sensational hit from this batsman. Maximum after a lot of time. This is the thing you need more Faisalabad Falcons in order to score your team into the semi-final round. You can see replay, high back lift, sharp eyes and dispatch onto the leg side. Very long maximum and it will go into the stand. Just look at that. Empire raises his hand the way, and fans love that shot. With the help of ball, Raja Bhatt, first time on a bowling there. Final wait is over. Raja Bhatt now will deliver his very first over and fifth over for his team. Raja Bhatt full competition there. Raja Bhatt will deliver his first ball. This time he punished onto the leg side, no matter who his bowler is there, because Faisalabad Falcons are batsmen over there. First ball, first maximum. Now the Haris has arrived to the Raja Bhatt. Brother, what are you doing? First ball, first maximum. No respect against Raja Bhatt. This is the replay. The ball was slightly poor and he punished into the leg side, into the stand. Gujarat Lions captain, Lahore Lions captain Raja Bhatt. This time he punished into the leg side, no chance for the fielder. 4 runs further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. No respect from Faisalabad Falcons batsman towards the captain of Lahore Lions, Raja Bhatt. 99 jersey number he is wearing. He is on very difficult situation. Pressure is now increasing on Raja Bhatt. What are you doing, Raja Bhatt? You need wicket like the previous bowlers. For delivery will come from Raja Bhatt and step out and stump. Yes! Oh my goodness! Revenge has been taken of 6. He is cheering. He is looking very happy. And his teammates also come and they are cheering. Just look at that. Raja Bhatt, he is enjoying. His teammates are also enjoying. They have also get wicket of 4th. And he is showing the snake sign to the Mandogar. He is just saying, no baby, it's not easy to hit 6. That's a replay. The ball slightly turns into the wickets and the fielder keeper was there and he stumped out the batsman who was hitting the 6 to the Raja Bhatt. Look at that, what a celebration from Raja Bhatt. His last over, last delivery. This time he punished onto the cover side. The ball covered the fence with the valve of 1 bounce. 1 bounce for 4 runs further added to the scoreboard. 5 over goals, 55 runs on the board with the loss of 4 wickets. Now, Haris his start, his setup. First ball and first maximum. It's out of the park. Ooh. That's a very close decision because yes, it has. It will cover the fence beautifully. The fielder has not delivered his best effort. He can also take it to catch, but it will cover the fence. Look at that replay. The ball was very close to the fielder, but no chance for the fielder. He collided with the fan with there. This time stump out. Now the Mandogar also lost his wicket. He is just trying to go to the pavilion. And look at that. The friendship between the Mandogar and Raja Bhatt. He is laughing at the Mandogar. You will have to reach to the pavilion and look at that. Raja Bhatt is looking very delighted each other. Now the Atif Janu will join his.
चले जी, पहला ओवर, पहला गेंद इस बॉल पर उठाया, कैच इज कॉल और पॉइंट की जानिब खेला है, बॉल जा रहा है बाउंड्री की जानिब। अच्छी फील्डिंग यहाँ पर, जब तक फील्ड करेंगे यकीनन 3 रन बनाने में कामयाब। जबरदस्त रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट। ये इस बार खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ खेला है और ये बॉल बिल्कुल जाएगा डीप मिड विकेट की जानिब 6 रन के लिए। एक बुलंद वाला छक्का, ये पहला दंदनाता छक्का आ चुका है और आई थिंक क्राउड की जानिब से ये कैच भी लिया गया है और ये पूछ रहे हैं कि नाम हर कैच पर 5,000 रुपए की अनाउंसमेंट थी नदीम नानीवाला की जानिब से और पहला छक्का यहाँ पर देखने को मिल चुका है। नेक्स्ट बॉल, 4 गेंदे 10 रन बन चुके। इस बार ऊंचा खेला, पिन द स्काई, कैच कॉल और ये कैच पकड़ लिया गया है। छक्का के बाद का खूबसूरत वापसी की है, बड़ा विकेट यहाँ पर हासिल किया है और मान डोगर यहाँ पर लाइंस का
विकेट पर मौजूद हैं। 30 बॉलें 65 रन दरकार। इस बार उड़ाकर खेल दिया मिड विकेट एरिया पर, बड़ा खूबसूरत फिजाई हमला, रन आएंगे यहाँ पे 6। बुलंद बाला छक्का रसीद किया और अपने खाते का यहाँ पे आगाज किया। अब 29 बॉलें 59 बाकी हैं। इस बार फिर से शॉट लगाया है, 2 इन अ रो। दूसरा बुलंद बाला छक्का, यहाँ पे फिर से बॉल बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर जाती हुई। अब 28 बॉलें 53 रन दरकार हैं। 28 बॉलें 53 रन दरकार हैं। बड़ा शानदार आगाज यहाँ पर रजब भट्ट की टीम ने, बड़ा खूबसूरत आगाज किया गया है इस मुकाबले का। यह मुकाबला बड़ा शानदार, बड़ा जानदार मुकाबला करते हुए यहाँ पर इस बार खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ फिर से यहाँ पे बड़े खूबसूरत अंदाज के साथ सीधे बॉल के साथ यहाँ पे बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर पहुंचा है बुलंद बाला। तीन बुलंद बाला छक्के, आउटस्टैंडिंग बल्लेबाजी, दिल फ्रेब छक्के लगाए हैं यहाँ पे, कमाल बल्लेबाजी। स्पोर्ट प्रो की टीम शुक्रिया। और यहाँ पर ले फिर से बॉल बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर जाती हुई मिड विकेट एरिया पर शाकीन क्रिकेट में जाके गिरी है। चौथा बुलंद बाला छक्का, 4 बॉल पर 4 बॉल, ये बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर गई है बॉल। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी इस वक्त इस बल्लेबाज की जानिब से, आड़े हाथों लिया है फैसलाबाद फॉल्कन की टीम, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे बैकफुट पे आती हुई। क्या शानदार आगाज, 10 बॉलें, स्कोर का मजमूआ 40 पे जा पहुंचा है। इस बार फुल टॉस डिलीवरी थी, फुल लाइन डिलीवरी करना चाहते थे, ग्राउंड शॉट।
बॉलर एक बार फिर से रवाना हुए आए, इस बार फिर से शॉट खेला और रन्स आई थिंक 4 मिलेंगे। गैप शॉट, 4 रन का इजाफा। बाजी यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रही है लाहौर लायंस की जानिब से और इस चौके के साथ बढ़ता हुआ स्कोर जा पहुंचा है 45 रन पर, मजीद 36 रन बाकी हैं, 21 गेंदे बाकी हैं। नेक्स्ट बॉल, शॉट, ओह माय गुडनेस, आज की नाइट का ये सबसे लंबा छक्का डीप मिड विकेट की जानिब, एक बुलंद वाला छक्का यहाँ पर देखने को मिला है। ब्रिलियंट बैटिंग लाहौर लायंस के जानिब से देखने को मिल रही है और इस छक्के के साथ 50 कंप्लीट की है टीम ने और 51 रन पर मजवा जा पहुंचे हैं, मजीद 30 रन बाकी हैं। इस बार फिर से फुल टॉस गेंद को चार्ज किया और यह बॉल बिल्कुल चला जाएगा मिड विकेट की जानिब में, खूबसूरत छक्का। वाह यार, व्हाट अ शॉट। एक और यहाँ पर चौका देखने को मिला है